In this vlog, we will get to know the concept of range in Python programming. So, in our previous tutorials, we have seen data types, set, tuple, list, and also dictionary. So, if you have missed those tutorials, I am providing the link in the description section below. I suggest you to go through them so that you can get a good idea of them. So, the range is the difference between the lowest and highest value. So, for example, we have provided a range of 0 to 10, so the numbers in between 0 to 10 we can just print on to our screen by making use of a list here. So here you can see we have got the range 0 to 10, so just make use of the same value here 0 to 10, and here you can see the numbers printed starting from 0 until 9 here. So for example, you can also declare a range to a variable also. So here you can see a equal to range of 0 comma 5, and now you can just try to print the a here. So now it provides the same. So just we are making use of a variable and storing our range value, and also you can make use of a step in range also. So for example, I'm considering a list range of 2 comma 10 comma 2 here. So now what we are trying to print is we are starting from 2 and printing numbers until 10 with a step of 2 here. So we will be skipping every alternative number now. So here you can see we have skipped 3, 5, 7. So now we can also do the same in negative numbers as well. So now let us consider list range of 2 comma minus 16 comma. Here also we can just consider a step of minus 2. Here you can see we are getting suggestions start, stop and step. So the step we will be providing it as minus 2 here. And now let's try to print the result. So here you can see 2 comma 0, and until minus 14 we got the result here. And also you can just print the range of values by just providing a single number, by just providing the stop. Here you can see this is a stop number, that is 8. We have not provided any starting number, and yes, you can also get the list of numbers from 0 to 7. So by default 0 will be considering as a starting point, and the number which we have provided will be the ending. And here when you provide a range of empty here, so you have not provided any values within the range, then you can see we'll be trying to get an error that range expected at least one argument got 0. So you must at least provide one argument when you are trying to use the range here. And when you just want to print the empty range, then you can just provide range of 0 here. So here the 0 will be considering as an ending point as well. So here you can see we just got the empty brackets here. And here you can also consider a variable b, and here we will be providing a range of 0 to 4. And now let's try to print the range of b here. So here you can see 0, 1, 2, 3. And now you can also make use of the indexing concept here. So now b of 2 I will be trying to print here, and you have got the output as 2 here. So 0, 1, 2. So here we are having 2 in this index value of. So just for the example, consider a different output. So 0 comma 8 let us consider, and now we will be trying to print the list of b, and we have got these numbers now. Okay, not in sequence, but we will try to provide the range value using a step. So 0 comma 8 comma 2, and now let us try to print the value of b. And here you can see we have provided starting and stop value here, and this is an optional value step. So previously you can see we have not provided the 2 and we got the output, and now we are providing it 2, so there is no error here. It's just an optional value. Even if you provide it or not, there is no any error. So here you can see it has considered 2 as a step here, and it has provided 0 comma 2 comma 4 comma 6 now. So using the indexing concept, now let us try to find out the index position 3 now. So we have got 6 here. So starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. So 3 is the index position for 6 here. So this way, indexing concept also we can make use in the range. So for example, we use this range concept mostly in the looping. So whenever you are trying to loop through a list of values, so here you can just make use of the range concept. By making use of it, you can iterate to every step of the list. So yes, this is it for this tutorial on the range concept, and in our coming tutorials we will see more interesting tutorials. So if you like this tutorial, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content on Python.